Picture this. You are out on the open road, enjoying the ride, when suddenly a new unsettling sound emerges from your motorcycle engine. It is a rattling noise, perhaps faint at first, but growing louder, and it instantly shifts your focus from the scenery to what is happening beneath you. Does it mean trouble for your trusty-to-wield companion? The direct answer is yes. You should absolutely worry about a rattling noise from your bike engine. This sound is a clear signal that something within the intricate mechanics of your motorcycle is not operating as it should, and addressing it promptly is crucial for both your safety and the longevity of your bike. A rattling sound typically indicates excessive play or looseness between moving parts, which can originate from several critical areas within the engine. For instance, it could be a worn timing chain or tensioner, which is responsible for synchronizing your engine's valves and pistons. Another common culprit is the valve train, where worn valve tappets or adjusters can create a distinct rattle. Sometimes, loose engine fasteners, a worn clutch basket, or even components like exhaust heat shields can mimic internal engine sounds. The specific type of rattle, its pitch, and whether it changes with engine revolutions can offer vital clues to its origin, guiding your diagnosis. To effectively diagnose a rattling noise, begin by carefully listening to where the sound is most prominent. Is it louder on one side of the engine, near the top end, or closer to the bottom? You can use a mechanic's stethoscope or even a long screwdriver pressed against different engine components, with the handle to your ear to pinpoint the source. Next, observe if the noise changes with engine speed, temperature, or clutch engagement. A rattle that increases with engine revolutions might point to timing chain issues, while a noise that appears during clutch operation could indicate a worn clutch basket. Always check for loose external components first, like fairings, heat shields, or exhaust mounts, as these are often simple fixes. Understanding the difference between a minor rattle and a major one is an insider detail that can save you significant time and money. For instance, a light, intermittent ticking or clatter that disappears once the engine warms up might just be normal valve train noise on some older engines as the oil circulates. However, a consistent, metallic clatter or knock that worsens with engine load or speed is a far more serious concern, potentially indicating issues like worn main bearings or connecting rods, which requiring immediate professional attention. These serious noises often signify impending mechanical failure if ignored. Ultimately, addressing a rattling engine noise is about proactive care for your motorcycle. By paying close attention to these warning signs and taking systematic steps to identify the source, you are not just fixing a problem, but you are also extending the life of your engine, ensuring a safer ride, and maintaining your peace of mind on every journey.